Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back. This is Scott with Scott Talks Investing. Wanted to share a video on how to transfer BNB from your Metamask wallet on your Chrome browser to your Ledger wallet, your Ledger hardware wallet. I'm using the Ledger Nano X for what that's worth. So assuming you've already set up your Ledger wallet, we're going to jump into Ledger Live, which is an application that can be downloaded from ledger.com. You can go to ledger.com/start and you'll be able to download the Ledger Live following the download buttons here. All right, so we've already set that all up. Let's assume that's taken care of. I'm going to go here to the My Ledger app catalog, search for BNB. I'm going to have that installed. That's going to install the Binance Smart Chain onto my Ledger device itself. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click up here to the receive section. And actually we want to add an account. So you can either add an account here or add an account here. We're going to add an account and we're going to select it from, we can type in BNB and click on the Binance Smart Chain BNB, click continue. So then you're going to open the app on your Binance Smart Chain on your device, just following the prompt here of clicking both buttons. It'll say application is ready on your Ledger, the device itself. Give it just a few moments. All right, so that's been added and we're all set there. So what we're going to do now is we want to receive tokens. So we're going to click on the drop down here. Make sure you're going to select the correct one, right? So we don't want to send it to ETH network. We want to send it to the Binance Smart Chain. And here's a little disclaimer: only sending BNB or BEP 20 tokens to the Binance Smart Chain. You might result in a permanent loss of funds if it's not the correct network. So we're going to go ahead and verify the address. So on your Ledger, you're going to click the button that's furthest from where the USB port plugs in. You're going to click to the right, and you're just going to read through your address on the screen here and your address on your device and go ahead and check to make sure that those both match. And when they do, click both buttons at the same time to verify. You're going to actually click right hand side away from the USB port arrow and it's going to say approve, and then you're going to click both buttons. Click done. So now that we've done that, we can receive tokens here. So we actually want to copy and paste our address. So this has been copied. Then we're going to jump back into our Metamask browser extension and we're going to send, I'm going to go ahead and paste my address here. And as you can see, it's going to allow me to send over BNB. I'm going to do a small amount just because I want to keep. Click next. There's a little gas fee. So right now it's pending. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump back over here. It might take a little bit for it to send it across. I will jump back when that has been completed. All right, so there we are. We've received the 0.02 BNB in our Ledger wallet, and that is how you get assets off of your Metamask wallet to your Ledger device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Happy to help if I can. Thanks again for stopping by and enjoy the rest of your day.